in Siberia come to us, to the Far East. It's an industrial territory, and innovations are new. It's not a new word for us. We have innovative products in our territory, and these issues we've been studying on them, trying to think how to create the conditions conducive to investment. We now have everything possible, all the support on regional level, microfinancing, funds, small and mid-sized businesses. So all those attributes of power are working, but we are going even further. We are looking at the international experiences, and we can now see that industrial organization is one method for this potential. We have a cluster method. We've now created this construction cluster in Khabarovsk. We have 25 pilot projects supported by the local administration and by the Russian Federation, and of course the cluster will receive federal support based on shipbuilding and airplane building. And then there's this another layer around, well, the cluster has 95 members already, 69 from the territory and 26 from other regions. So we're now cooperating with the Aviation Materials Institute because innovation in materials, what's common to both shipbuilding and airplane building? It's composite materials, and we have all this, and it's working. So we are creating a techno park with business incubators. A small Skolkovo is being built in Khabarovsk with a campus, an academic village, and there's a training school, elementary, primary, and higher vocational education. And then we will have a place to implement all this, because we have enough ideas in Russia. But how do you implement an idea? How do you take it to the level of a business project? How do you make it a business? So based on this technopark, we will have an area for innovative companies where students, graduate and postgraduate students, can make it a reality. So we had this forum, and we thank Anatoly Borisovich, nanotechnologies, nano projects are actively participating, and we're now having some projects implemented in machine engineering as well. We do many things like blade coating, tool coating using nanotechnologies, titanium nitrates, and things like that. So there's the soil. We have a special port zone in Khabarovsk, which predetermines the development of innovative operations. We have investment, both federal and regional and foreign, which work because we have foreign investment from Malaysia and other countries which feel comfortable, feel at home even in the Far East. So it's not just an advertisement, it's all there. This can be addressed. There are issues in the Far East, of course, and like power tariffs and transportation tariffs, because whatever you produce, like an airplane, requires thousands of components. It's an innovative operation, and therefore, of course, the tariffs, the railway tariffs, eat up everything we generate, everything we create. So these are the two things that make it impossible for investors, stop investors from coming. But still, the process is underway. There are good prospects, growth points, it's all set, and I can see no difficulties for Khabarovsk. All problems can be resolved besides the two I mentioned.